Understanding Printer Offline, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common computer-related phrase, printer offline. This phrase can be confusing, especially for those who are new to English or to using computers. So, let's break it down together. When you see the message, printer offline, on your computer, it means that your computer is unable to communicate with the printer. This could be due to various reasons like the printer being turned off, disconnected, or having some technical issues. It's important to understand that offline, in this context, does not refer to the internet, but rather to the connection status between your computer and the printer. There are several common reasons why your printer might be offline. 1. Physical connection. Check if the printer is properly connected to your computer or network. 2. Printer settings. Sometimes, the printer settings on your computer might have been changed accidentally. 3. Power issues. Ensure your printer is turned on. Sometimes, it's as simple as pressing the power button. 4. Printer errors. Printers can have their own errors, like paper jams or low ink, which can cause them to go offline. Here are some steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. 1. Check connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in. 2. Restart your printer. Sometimes, restarting the printer can resolve the issue. 3. Check printer settings on your computer. Ensure your printer is set as the default printer and is enabled. 4. Consult the printer's manual. If the issue persists, consult the manual for specific troubleshooting tips. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what printer offline means and how to address it. Remember, dealing with technology issues is a common part of using computers, and with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can usually resolve them easily. Happy printing, and see you in our next video.